Now we will start problems related to areas after some synopsis. From the number 11 assignment, suppose if we go through the question, areas chapter generally in the exam, one or two questions will be there, but for that what you do is you can select in the second level. First level scoring topics I told earlier. As per the question from areas, once you read first step, try for figure. Second step, limits of integration. If they give x limits, you have to do function of x integration. That first observation. If they give y limits, you have to find function of y dy. Very direct problem. In CET they are giving direct information. Observe first diagram if possible, limits, integration rule. Fourth, method of integration means substitution method, by parts, standard formula, direct answer. In case if they give second level problem, little higher level, what is that? Combination. I gave you combination. What is that combination? Line and curve or curve and curve only. Little bit difficult level. For that you try for diagram, same steps. At the end, principle of integration changes. What is that step 3 changes here? Either line minus curve dx or curve minus line dx. In any case, if you don't find that much time spending, straight away you do modulus of line minus curve dx positive value. Answer you will get. This is little difficult level if they give. Maximum chances are for this level. Based on this picture, now start doing problems. First problem, what are the functions here present? Y equal to root x, 2y plus 3 equal to x, x-axis, first quadrant, total information given. What is missing here? Limits. Limits are missing. You have to find it. How to find limits? If you draw diagram, then you understand. Now you see the figure is coordinate geometry only. Y equal to root x indirectly same as y square equal to x, which is the standard form. Y square equal to 4ax. But total figure not possible. We want only first quadrant. Every time when you read the statement, single letter is also very powerful. Every single letter you have to be perfect enough. That means you must be completely with the statement only. Blindly cannot start doing like differentiation or integration or trigonometry. No. This chapter questions and probability permutations chapters must be very perfect with statement. By chance when any single information missing, you go for wrong answer. That is why first standard formula, we want only first quadrant. That also with x-axis it is understood. We have to draw the straight line. This is in the form of ax plus by plus c. Immediately how to draw the line? X-axis to y-axis. On x-axis, y value must be 0. Then what is x value? 3. It is cutting at 3. On y-axis, put x equal to 0. Then what is y value? Minus 3 by 2. Because So y value minus 3y. Now you can draw the straight line. How you draw the straight line? Cutting x-axis positively 3, cutting y-axis negatively 3 by 2. Now it is clear. This is origin. Now you can understand. Here this is minus 3 by 2. This is actually 3. What is total area actually meaning? This plus this. But he is not asking. Negative x-axis is not important. Only first quadrant. That means what is our region? This is our region. Shading I am doing to understand. Later so on, it is not necessary shading to where is the region. As for object type, not necessary. This is our area. But how you will integrate it? Now figure is complete. We have to get limits. One limit is clear. X equal to 0. X equal to 3. Here. This is 0. This is our curve. P is point of intersection. If you can find out point of intersection, how to get point of intersection? Y square equal to x. Here what is x value? 2y plus 3. Y square equal to 2y plus 3. Y square minus 2y minus 3. Quadratic equation. Minus 3. We have to get minus 2. Y plus 1, y minus 3. Y value is minus 1. Y value is 3. Y value minus 1 neglecting. First quadrant, both x, y positive. This is only our answer. But we want x value. You got y value. Using this y value 3. Substitute here. What is x value? That means point of intersection is 9, 3. Full solution I am showing. First problem only, full chapter. Okay. Complete method is existing. Point of intersection. What is meaning of 9, 3? If you draw perpendicular line, 9, 0. Now, figure is shading region over, limits over. We are doing with x-axis. Therefore, using x limits, we need function of x. But this is combination of two curves, line and curve. Now you have to analyze. About x-axis, who is dominating in this interval 0 to 9? Who is dominating means which is far away from x-axis. This is near to x. This is far. Curve. Curve with x-axis minus line with x-axis. This part we are deleting. This is remaining. That is the reason either line curve or curve line. So you are getting curve with line here. Function of x, principle of integration complete. What is that? Limits 0 to 9, curve minus line dx. Here we have to write curve in terms of x, line in terms of x. Otherwise you will go to wrong answer only. Danger. Every time, for every second, must be with question. What is curve equation? This one. Y is in terms of x, so root x. Minus. What is line in terms of x? He gave like this. You have to modify. You arrange it. How you will find y in terms of x? 2y is equal to x minus 3. Y value. This is our function of x for integration. So that much story is there. Using this principle of integration, curve minus line. But here, because it is closed curve, instead of going to full method, we will do in a geometric way. What is geometric method? First I will do curve with x-axis, total area. What is total area? bounded by x-axis 0 to 9 root x dx, which is 2 by 3, 3 by 2, 0 to 9. So we are getting 9 power 3 by 2, which is 3 square, 2 cancel, 27 by 3, 9 into 2, 18. But as per the principle of integration, it is long answer type. Already we are getting number of steps. We will reduce here, since there is a closed curve, we will go for geometry. See here, this AMP is a right angle triangle. We want to delete this area only. Ultimately we need this area. Our area is this one. For that, area of closed curve, which is right angle triangle. Since this is 3 units, 9 units, base 6, y coordinate 3, height. AMP is a right angle triangle. What is area of right angle triangle? Half height into base. Hence you are getting 9. That I will use here. Now total area is equal to curve with x-axis minus triangle AMP. As and when you are getting a closed figure from geometry, use it. Enough. Okay. Therefore, 18 minus 9. This is our answer. How you got 9 here? See, this is right angle. That is best. So the first problem itself, we are getting complete chapter idea. Only what we are not doing here, original solution we are not doing. What is original solution? It will carry more. Since up to here only you have got curve, this line is making negative area as well as positive area. We should find out that line you have to draw here. First we have to find this point is 3, 0. Integral 3 to 9 line dx you have to delete. Okay, as per integration concern. If it is in BSc, we have to do like that. But the method is not that much very important. How you are getting short methods, try to get. So in this chapter, there is a chance of coordinate geometry. Again, first curve, line. This is our area. We are solving. X limits we got. Principle, curve with x-axis, total area, minus right angle triangle. That is the real method we follow for in objective type. If it is not a closed figure, like geometry not possible, then we have to go for integration only. Now second problem. X equal to pi by 4 divides the region of y equal to sin x, y equal to cos x by x-axis. Very clear, full information given. First quadrant. Dividing total region into two parts A1, A2. What is A1 is to A2? Ratio he is asking. Figure is compulsory. How to draw figure here? First, in first quadrant only. This is sin x. 0, exactly 90, 180. Okay. Next, cos x graph. How cos x will start from 1 only? This is our line 1 plus 1. From here it will start cos x. Cos x will go like this. Cos 90, 0. Both are intersecting at pi by 4. Okay. X equal to pi by 4. Exactly you have to draw line. This is x equal to pi by 4, pi by 2, pi. What is our main problem? Focus is here. This is A1 and this is A2. So he is asking what is A1 by A2. Very clear. What is this curve represents? Function sin x. This curve represents function cos x. First, directly from the figure, A1 0 to pi by 4. This curve is equal to minus cos x 0 to minus of 1 by root 2 minus 1. minus 1 by root 2 plus 1. So this is for a1. Next, if possible, we will take LCM. After LCM, root 2 minus 1 by root. Consider a2 is, what are the limits for this region? Pi by 4 to pi by 2, this curve. Where is this curve function? Cos x. So pi by 4 to pi by 2 cos x, and it is sin x. Apply limits sin 91 and this is. After LCM, what is value? Root 2 minus 1 by, what is observation? Both are equal. A1 equal to A2. When they are equal, what is ratio? Must be equal to 1. So simple problem, direct problem. So ratio is 1. Third problem, I gave straight away one result. Between two parabolas, what is answer? Means formula y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to 4dx. Area between both parabolas is equal to 16 by 3 into AB. If a and b are equal, means y square is 4ax, x square is 4ay. Then what is formula? Directly a equal to b, 16 by 3 a square. Using this result here, he is giving y square is 4x, x square also 4y. What is implied? From this a value is 1, from this also b value 1. Here if you write, or here you write, they are equal. Answer is only 16 by 3. These type of questions more number of times they are giving in CAT. Direct answer. Formula oriented. And here function of x, limits of x, integration and all, not necessary. Shading region, we can write answer direct. That is about third problem. Then fourth, area closed. Area of the closed figure between minus 1 to. What is y value given here? Minus x square plus 2. Whenever x is before 1, 2x minus 1 greater than 1. Very careful. Limits only important here. He is asking between minus 1 and 2. What is our area? Integral minus 1 to 2 f of x dx. This is our formula. Answer we want. But direct minus 1 to 2 not present in the problem. They gave breakup interval. How they break up here? Before 1, after 1. After 1 means up to 2 anyway it is direct. In this interval, what is our function? This one. So minus 1 to 1, minus x square plus 2 dx, 1 to 2, 2x minus 1 dx. Answer is finished. What is integration here? Minus x cube by 3 plus 2x between plus 1 to 2. X square minus x. Minus 1 by 3 plus 2x means 2. Minus of 1 by 3 minus 2. Here 4 minus 2. Next 0. 6 minus 1. 5 by 3. 1 minus 6. Minus minus plus. 5 by 3. 10 by 3 plus 2. 16 by 3. That is first option. Again, next also 5 is not in your syllabus, so we cannot consider, no problem, leave it there. 6 is important again. That is for logarithmic function. Here logarithmic function is given, y equal to log x base e. and x equal to 0 means y axis. Y is less than or equal to 0 means negative y axis, and also x axis is there. This is only information, nothing is present. Limits of x not there. We have to get the limits. See, first draw the graph of log x. Log x graph will be like this. Here it is cutting x axis at 1. Log 1 is 0. Where he is asking above x axis or below x axis, that is important. Above axis also they can ask, but it is y axis, also negative. Negative y axis means below x axis. Then where is our region? This. This region he is asking. And also it is with y axis. With y axis means we need y limits. Already we know y value 0. Then what is next y limit? Going so on up to where it will go? Up to minus infinity. Hence a equal to 0 to minus infinity function we want. X or y in terms we need. Because we are doing with y limits, function must be in terms of y. Using definition of logarithms, if you remove log here, what is implied? X is equal to e power y. Now e power y dy. This is our function. So first figure, next limits, because of axis is y axis, we need y limits. We got y limits. Function must be in terms of y. So e power y. E power y means generally e power y only. E power minus infinity minus e power 0. Okay. E power minus infinity is 0 and e power 0 is 1. Therefore it carries, because it is negative region. Once a region is negative, what must be outside? Minus. Minus. Minus minus plus. So 1 square unit. So answer is 1 square unit we have. Then this is important. 7th. 7th is area bounded by the curves. He gave only 2 curves. Nothing is mentioned. We will go for x axis or y axis, positive, negative, limits. Nothing is present. Everything is missing. Only functions are there. And that functions also not equations. They are inequations. Mod x plus mod y greater than or equal to 1. X square plus y square less than or equal to 1. Inequalities. Already we know linear inequalities and inequality regions how to find it. Here, instead of inequality, if you consider mod x plus mod y equal to 1, what is this equation represents in the synopsis I gave? Rhombus. It represents rhombus. A, B, C, D, rhombus. This is 1 unit. Everywhere 1 unit only. And if you consider equation here, x square plus y square 1, it represents a circle. And radius also 1 unit. Then where is that circle here? This is our circle. See, this is the circle. Now where he wants area? This line more than 1. More than 1. For circle less than 1. Then where is area? This region he is asking. We need this loop. This one where we have gotten? As per the diagram, how many regions are there? Equally. 4 regions are there. These 4 regions we have to calculate. That means you do one region, outside multiply 4. That is enough. Now, how to get this? This is our diagram. And it is closed figure. Symmetric figure. You don't go for integration. Okay? Once you know the diagram, it is closed figure. You have to go for only geometry. You need not to go for area, chapter, integration, limits, x axis, y axis, or what are the limits. Not necessary. Just go for coordinate geometry, you get the answer. First of all, find only one quadrant area. How to get one quadrant means one sector. This is 1/4 of the circle. What is area of circle? Pi r square. R is 1 over 1/4 means by 4. Complete. You got total area OAB. Okay. When you want only this shaded one, we don't want right angle triangle. We don't want right angle triangle means find the area of OAB. Remove this from total. What is OAB area? Half height into base. Therefore, right angle triangle OAB is equal to half. We want A is equal to sector minus triangle. Principle is over. As per geometry only I am doing. Finish. 5/4 minus 1/2. Okay. You got this area. This area you got. Completed or no? Only we have got one quadrant. How many like that equal shape, equal regions? 4 are there. Hence outside you have to multiply with 4. Okay. Then finally what is the answer? You will get pi minus 2 is final answer. No integration, no limits. We are not doing anything. This type of models, what is that type of model means? Related to coordinate geometry. How you decide geometry in what way? Closed figure. Whenever there is closed figure, symmetrically, circles, ellipses, triangles, generally you will get geometry methods. Open figure, no geometry. We have to go for this chapter only. Function of x or y axis or x axis or limits, integration, everything we are following. That is difference between these two. Open figure, closed figure. Again, he is asking inequality. Inequality. To trace the curve, consider equation. And also we know that it is rhombus. This is rhombus. Unit circle, radius 1 unit. Lines are more than 1, circle is less than 1. Line is going like this, circle is coming like this. Then what is intersection, common shade, common region, linear programming problems? We know already. Therefore, this is our area. Where it is possible, equally 4 quadrants. First find out one quadrant. How to get in one quadrant area? This is your circle 1/4. Total circle area is pi. Area of circle is pi. In first quadrant, what is answer? Pi/4. So you got total OAB sector. Sector OAB minus triangle OAB. This is sector OAB. This is triangle OAB. This is sector. Now you got this answer. Circle minus rectangle. One region over into 4. So better we practice this type of models more. So diagrams will carry more weight. Next is also very important. What is that next model? He is also now given only function. Nothing is mentioned. We have to get total information only from given data. How much given here? Just a function and axis. What is here function? X equal to 4 minus y square and y axis. That much only present. Particularly here, diagram is very important. Graphical transformation is more. We know about x equal to y square. Means y square equal to x. What is y square equal to x means? This is y square equal to x. Minus means this one. Plus 4 is extra going here. Therefore it will come like this. Now see the graph. How you can understand these limits correct or not? How you can tally this figure with our function? Consider x-axis. Y must be 0. What is x value? 4. Exactly 4, 0. Even power of y. I told earlier, symmetric with the x-axis. Okay. So, on y-axis, x must be 0. Then what is y square value? 4. That will give plus or minus 2. That means this is 0, 2. This is 0 minus 2. RS. Symmetric with x-axis I told you, even power of y. How we say symmetric with x-axis? This area is same as this area. Then how you can mention principle of integration? Double 2 times. Since a curve is symmetric in 2 quadrants, 2 outside, we need limits. We are doing with the x-axis. You can do with y-axis also, possible. Suppose if you do with y-axis, this area with y-axis. What are the y limits? 0 to 2. When you take y limits, function must be in terms of y. What is x value in terms of y? 4 minus y square. dy. Now finish the integration. 4y minus y cube by 3. Upper limit is enough. That means 4y, 8 minus 8 by 3. 8 by 3 into 2, 16 by 3 answer. Okay. Because LCM 24. 24 minus 8, 16 into 2 is there. So 32 by 3 answer. We are doing for with the y-axis. You can do with x-axis also, like this. When you do with the x-axis, function of x, limits of x. What are the limits? 0 to 4. Then function must be in terms of x. Then we have to write y equal to 4 minus x square root. Since the square root are unnecessary, so I am writing integer. That means 32 by 3 must be the value. This is for only curve represent given. Curve representation only given. We are only guessing everything. How I am writing here? It is up to you. You can do with x or y. For convenience, I am doing for y-axis because y square will be easy. You can do second method. What is that? A integral. With x-axis, if I want x limit to x limit, 0 to 4, double function of x. What is function of x dx? We need find out x value, y value in terms of x. Y square equal to 4 minus x, y equal to root of 4 minus x, square root to minus sign, confusion, by mistake minus missing, answer random. You have to integrate 4 minus x power 1 by 2. Then what is integration now? 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 by 3, 4 minus x power 3 by 2 must be minus outside because x coefficient, many things are there. Smoothly I want to finish, so this way I am going. It is because of problem to problem, you can select your convenient method. Okay, that is why practice number of models so that you are exposed to multiple ideas. That multiple ideas in the exam will carry more weight. One method you select, you get answer. You feel that it is lengthy, change it and go to alternate method. That is the reason every time I am insisting practice so many number of problems. And particularly these type of chapters like areas, probability, permutations, your attention is important. Now, next is again geometry problem. Area lying between y square equal to 4ax and its lattice vector. If you know geometry only, this question possible. If you are not perfect with coordinate geometry, areas chapter 90% 0. You cannot do anything. Okay. Hence must be very perfectly practiced in geometry. Then you can start this type of questions. Lattice vector means what is lattice vector? Very hard to draw. What are the values of equations of lattice vector, ends of lattice vector? Everything must be very perfect from coordinate geometry. This is y square equal to 4ax. What is equation to lattice vector means it is passing through focus equally, where the focus coordinate a0 and this coordinate a comma 2a, positive end of lattice vector, negative end of lattice vector. Total length is 4a and this is 2a and this is 2a. And then what is observation here? Symmetrically in two coordinates. You find one coordinate area, you do function of x, easy to find because limits of x we have. You calculate this area. How to calculate this area? A is equal to 2 times 0 to a curve dx. Only one curve is there with x axis. 2 times limits of x I am writing. Problem must be in terms of x only. Is given that y value root 4ax, therefore root 4ax. Now principle of integration complete. Method of integration. 2 root a is constant outside. X power half integration is 3 by 2, here 2 by 3 also outside. Then upper limit only you can write, lower anyway 0. Finally outside 8 by 3 a power 1 by 2 multiplied a power 3 by 2. This value is a square. Final answer is 8 by 3 a square. Is answer. This plus this. We got total. Double already we wrote. So, just a given function, lattice vector. Nothing is mentioned. We know that in coordinate geometry, lattice vector, equal areas, even power of y, symmetric with x axis, double, limits of x, function of x. Answer. This is where how you have to practice in the order. Then 10th is also from graphical. Area are bounded by the curve y equal to tan x, a line parallel to y-axis at x equal to pi by 4 over. And by x-axis also mentioned, and by x-axis everything is clear. Easiest problem. If you know the diagram, then it is very clear. What is tan x graph? Where tan 90 does not exist. That means dotted line. All 90 multiples graph does not exist. Like that another one will come, another one will come. 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2. One line is enough. Since we are only finding area up to pi by 4. Line parallel to y-axis at a distance of pi by 4 units. This is x equal to pi by 4. Therefore, he is asking this area. What are the boundaries or else limits of x, since it is bounded by x-axis only? We need limits of x. Clear? He is only giving a is 0 to pi by 4. What is curve here? This one. What is this curve function? Tan x. Or that is the reason. Do start with diagram. You can get complete picture from diagram. Limits a function. What is tan x integration? Log secant x. Then log secant pi by 4 minus log of secant 0. Secant pi by 4 is root 2 minus secant 0 is 1, but log 1 is 0. So finally what is constant? Log root 2, or else sometimes they will write power rule. This is same as x power n formula, n log x, half log 2. Both are same. In ABCD, they are writing only log root 2. Log root 2. Nothing is mentioned. Half not getting. None of the above. None of the above. That's problem. None of the above. You cannot help it. Because first option is only 1 by 4. Second option log root 2 plus 1 by 4. Third minus 1 by 4 not there. So none of the above must be answered. This is what about tracing the curve. Next also problem is figure important. Very useful problem. This is also. In this first page, overall, I can say the problems which are very commonly useful and important. Problem number 5, 7, and this tan x, 11, 13 already formula I gave. Okay? So they are very useful. See, this is about 11, y equal to mod x and 4 minus mod x. Danger. We know about this. We don't know about this. Okay? It is not in our syllabus. How I can say it is in syllabus or not? In this chapter, some problems are related to trigonometry, graphs, sine, cos, tan, or else coordinate geometry. Therefore, we say they are in our syllabus. Also, maximum extent to special functions. Mod x, step of x. Also, we know. 4 minus mod x. That is why this type of additional problems we must be ready. What is this mod x graph? This is mod x graph. Then minus. First I am giving you how to trace transformations. Already in some classes they know that. Minus mod x means negative. Minus represents image. Image of mod x is minus mod x. Okay? Anything, general rule remember. You draw f of x curve. Minus f of x is image of fx in with respect to origin. Then where is minus mod x? This is minus mod x. This is positive. This is negative. This is minus mod x when x is positive. Minus mod x when x is negative. This is our answer. Means this is x only. This is minus x. Completed? But minus mod x. After that, how much constant we have? 4. Positive or negative? Positive. Positive means shift above 4 units. If I give minus, shift down 4 units. Minus represents downside, plus represents up. How much you have to go? According to number. This curve, as it is, you shift to 4 units. So, as it is, the curve will go to 4 units. How much distance we are going? This is 4 units. So, finally, what is our region? This region he is asking. Now, after getting idea, you see, final graph how we can give is first mod x, next 4 minus mod x. O, A, B, C. Actually you have to draw exactly. How much distance it is? 4. O, A, B, C represents square. Okay, square. Why? Already I told you this is y equal to x. First quadrant, x must be positive. Then what is this line? Y equal to 4 minus x plus or minus m1 m2 minus 1 quadrant geometry. Product of slopes minus 1. Lines are perpendicular. Is a square. OB is a diagonal. What is diagonal length? 4. Assume that side is A. What is the area of this square? A square. But this is a right angle triangle. Pythagoras rule. A square plus A square must be 4 square. 2A square is 16. A square is how much? 8. Answer over. No limits, no function, no integration. Purely coordinate geometry. Hence answer must be 8 units. Area of the square he is asking. Area of the square, if side is A square. We want A square value. But we know this is a square whose length of the diagonal is 4. This is right angle triangle. OAB is a right angle triangle. A square plus A square equal to hypotenuse. Oh, enough. That means how you have got that much easiest way? Because you know that transformation. Otherwise you leave the question only. Impossible. Since it is not our part of syllabus, suddenly one question may happen like this, that graph is important. That is the reason I am giving you general rule. Not only this function or this problem. If there is another problem with negative sign, something extra, how you can get rule here to trace the curve? F of x is given curve. Minus f of x, how to draw? Image of the curve in x-axis or y-axis according to variable. Minus represents image. You will get this maximum, this problem model in physics compulsory. You have these problems. Only information I will tell you. You do this problem in physics. How you get it in physics? Light chapter, prism, refractive index of glass and concave lens, convex lens. Suppose one parabola is a reflector is in the form of two parabolas kept in the opposite directions. You must be ready with geometry only. This is parabola y square equal to minus 4ax, this is 4ax and equal here. Applications I am talking about. That is the reason negative curve how to draw means image. Extra positive constant plus positive constant above, minus constant below. That is the rule I am following. Okay, that is complete. Then see that next problem already I gave in synopsis only. Mod x plus mod y is a rhombus. Okay, mod x, this is about 13th. Mod x plus mod y equal to 1. What is the tracer? Is a rhombus with 1 unit. 1 everywhere into 4 equal parts. What is this area? Half height into base. So one area is 1 by 2. Like that, how many areas overall we have? 4 equal parts. Therefore answer must be 2 square units. That is already in synopsis. This also. X square plus y square, 14th. Mentioned like this. S is equal to set of all order pairs of the form x comma y such that x square plus y square must be interior part of circle, exterior part of straight line. That is meaning. It is mains level, but statement is essential sometimes. So it represents interior part of circle. Interior unit circle. Center is origin. So 1 unit. 1 unit. Now x plus y greater than or equal to 1. Equal to 1 first. What is equal to 1 means? Intercept form of the line. X by a plus y by b 1. Earlier I gave that problem, same. But here one fold, one region, one quadrant only. No 4 equal parts. Nothing is there. Finish it. They want only this area. This area they want. No 4 equal parts. How you will find out integration method is not necessary. You do with geometry only. Okay. What is total area of circle? Pi r square. R is 1. Then what is sector OAB? 1/4 of 2 pi. Next, triangle OAB. Half height into base. Now what is area left in between? You can see in this limits who is dominating? Curve. Curve minus line. That is principle of integration. How you will get this answer? Pi by 4 minus over 4 times no 2 times nothing. 1 quadrant only. If possible 4 LCM you can write or else leave it. This is about pi by 4 minus 1 by 2. Fourth option. That is for combination. Next also two parabolas S1, S2, S3 are the regions divided by lines x equal to 4, y equal to 4. Same again, combination of two parabolas. Exact same model. Diagram I will give you. You finish the integration. Y square equal to 4ax. X square equal to 4ay. P is point of intersection. Okay. Divide the square region bounded by the lines x equal to 4, y equal to 4. Okay. Given y square equal to 4x, x square equal to 4y. X power 4 is 16 y square. X power 4 is 16 into 4x. 64. X cube is equal to 64. 4 cube. Hence x equal to 4. When x equal to 4 here, y square is 4 square, y is also 4. That means they are intersecting at 4 comma 4. He is giving now it x equal to 4, 0, y equal to 4, 0, 4. This is our square. He is giving very clear. S1, S2, S3 are areas of top to bottom. Okay. Divide the square region bounded by the lines S1, top to bottom. S1, S2, S3. Then he is asking area, regions, equal, ratio, anything you can find once you know this. This is S2 and this is S3. Easily you can find out. First find out this S1, how you will find it? You need already point of intersection I gave. You have to okay 0 to 4 line minus curve. This answer. Curve minus line. This answer. This curve minus this line minus this curve. This answer. Ratio. So direct problem. Okay. Some people what they do is find area of the square, right? Find area between parabolas. Area between parabolas I gave you answer. How to find area between two parabolas? Y square equal to 4ax. Third problem. 16 by 3 A square. So you know this area. Finish it. What you do is square minus this area. You are getting S1 plus S3. Okay. How to get S2? Square minus S1 plus S3. S2 only. This only. So, somewhere other way it is a direct problem. You can finish calculations. Only you need to take 3 more steps for calculations. Diagram also I get. Very clear diagram. 16 okay repeated. Now this is area bounded by y square equal to 4ax, x equal to a, x equal to 4a. Different. See, 17 is again parabola y square equal to 4ax, x equal to a, limits given us. Simple limits. First draw figure that parabola is y square equal to 4ax with x axis. With x axis. X equal to a is parallel to y axis at a distance. 4a is parallel to y axis at a distance 4a units. Equally, two regions. A is equal to 2 times limits of integration a to 4a. This area plus this area means double anyway. Then what is this curve? This strip. This curve is from this function. With x-axis we are doing y in terms of x. So you finish the integration. What is y value? Root 4ax. This is principal. You will get answer. Okay. Then answer on next. 18th repeated. 19 not there for you. Very happy. Area of the ellipse. Next problem. Formed by tangents at the ends of lattice rectum. For 28th also I will give you a figure. Once you know diagram means you can easily finish the integration. This is about ellipse, standard form of ellipse. Horizontal, because A is more than B. Horizontal ellipse. Tangents at the lattice rectum. Here this is lattice rectum. This is lattice rectum. Okay. Here tangent is drawn. Here tangent is drawn. Here also. Here also. Now there is a figure. He is asking this area. Simple, what you do is to find out what is the geometry only. If not geometry, you have to give the question. What is focus coordinate? A is 0. What is this point? AE b square by A. AE minus b square by A. You find only this tangent, slope point form. Here also this tangent, slope point form. Okay, positive, negative. Then you have to get the coordinates solved. Little bit difficult level. May not be CET level, but practice. Or else if you delete, ignore also no problem. That is very difficult problem. Then assignment, there are some direct problems. You can finish this number of problems enough as per area. Maximum focus on parabola circle problems. This is about areas assignment.